Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Google Sheets we are going to learn how to run VLOOKUP function. So here we have this table which is the names and sales. So I want to look up for a specific name here with a specific sales. So I'm going to type sum, the name from this column, which is right here, and I'm going to type the function equal run VLOOKUP. So I'm going to select sum, add a comma, select entire table, add comma. So I'm going to type the second column. I want to look up for sum, which here the sales, so I'm going to type the second column, add a comma and 0, and we're going to close this. Hit enter. So as you can see, sum sells 1200, and let's change that to John. John got this sales which is 2300 in this table, and if I'm going to change that to Lisa, which is 2100, so now I can type any name and I can search for the cells in this table. So this is how we can run VLOOKUP function with Google Sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well so you stay tuned about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys in the next video.